We can't afford it. Right, so we've got a bowl here. We're just going to coat these with olive oil and a bit of seasoning, a bit of garlic, and then roast them in the oven. Okay. How do the kids love the muffins? Well, which muffins was it that I made the little shit? It's not like it's sort of like a Remembrance Day thing. Basically, we remember the brave men and women who fought on the front line and helped during the war. And yeah, sorry.
Should I take this off the heat?
Let me look. Ow. Yeah, maybe I should make Anzac biscuits.
That's on.
No, I want it caramelized even more, babe, even more. Yes. Nero, thank you so much for the follow.
Yeah, Anzac Day is the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. That's what Anzac stands for. And Anzac Day is like mainly for World War I and I think World War II.
World War II veterans and yeah.
Yeah, but it is also a catch-all.
To remember them, basically.
Remembrance of everyone who died in the service of Australia.
You
know what's un-Australian, guys? You know what's un-Australian? Okay. 2 years ago, they changed it in New South Wales, and now you don't get a day off if Anzac Day falls on a Saturday or a Sunday.
Fuck you, New South Wales Premier. That is un-Australian.
It's garbage.
That's absolute garbage. But yeah, I might make some... Because we're making burgers, nacho burgers on Saturday, and we're going to make some ice cream too because I'm going to have all the leftover egg yolks from the macarons.
On Saturday?
Yes, well I am. You don't have to.
I was going to take you out on a date.
Oh shit! Can I move it to Sunday?
The stream or the date?
Either. I can move the stream to Sunday.
I can do the date on Sunday.
You sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I'm curious where you can take me. What are you going to do? Mark, you're going to write one of the bedrooms as like, the Hilton Hotel and take me in there? That isn't going to work.
That's fine.
That isn't going to work.
I'm trying, okay? I'm trying.
Listen, it's up to you. I can move the stream to Sunday.
I was just going to put 5 stars on the top of our bedroom door and bang you in there.
You heard that first. Where the hell did the music go? Oh my God, Nightbot.
Why
do you keep doing this to me? Mom King, thank you so much for those 100 bacon biddies. Thank you so much, darling. Oh my God, wait. Oh, you know what? I'm about to give up on this spot. This spot is giving me the shits.
Oh, guys, we might move to Stream Elements for the music.
Nightbot. Fuck you to the moon. You useless, idiotic piece of dog shit.
You could do a car date.
We're not allowed to sit in the car.
It'd be too risky because the cops just fucking are finding everybody.
Sitting in your car in your driveway is a fine.
Yeah.
Not worth it.
Posted the recipe in Discord. Cheers, Prish.
Thanks, Prish. Yeah, I'll have a look later. I just want to get this stupid thing working because we might have to maybe just play it through iTunes.
Date day under lockdown. Great idea. Not... Well, thanks, Kiwi Rob. I'm just trying to be a little bit romantic, okay?
Fucking not. I don't know. Wait, I don't know.
Kat's going a little bit stir crazy, and I've got a plan, okay? I've got a plan, and hopefully she enjoys it.
Song requests off, guys. I'm gonna have to open up iTunes for music and play my collection. I apologise, guys. I'll try it later on. Nightbot is just a total piece of dog shit. Hang on, open up iTunes. Here we are.
Anzac Day is on the April 25th, is to commemorate the first time Australian and New Zealand troops entered the war. Cheers, Crofton. Did you read my message, Cat? Mod
Sorry,
King?
I'm too busy fucking with this piece of shit computer.
I shall read it for you.
hang on.
Keep up the good work. I've been streaming every day for a few weeks now for charity for the nurses and frontline people we don't get to thank for their hard work. Mod King, that's
nice.
awesome. Cheers.
And anyone deserves praise and help. It's the nurses, healthcare workers, and also the people in grocery stores because they put up with a lot of shit. It's much like Mod King. That is awesome. You know what? They're doing a thing where apparently, to light a candle at the front or something, or wear something blue or something in regards. I saw it on Facebook to give thanks to all the healthcare workers and all that stuff. It might be an Australian only thing, but yeah, guys, sorry, we're just gonna have to put on some of my music.